Okay, aloha guys. So today, since I stay home and doing nothing today, and I never put it on video for a long time, I'm gonna make a Cho Jung for you guys. So this sauce, this is a Korean sauce which you guys can put on anything. Sashimi, we used to use it for sashimi. We put them on tonkatsu. Put them on rice for eat. We braise short ribs with them. I mean, this sauce get plenty uses, and you guys gonna really love this sauce. I mean, no matter how much people I turn this sauce on to, they all love it. So I think you guys will love it. Give it a try. So let me just cut up some green onions. So green onions is kind of essential for this dish. It actually adds a part of the flavor that without it you would know the difference. And the sauce is kind of like when you think you get enough green onions, you can still add more and we just be better flavor. Yeah. So I'm not really gonna measure everything because I never really did measure everything out, but at the end of the video I go put one recipe for you guys. So we're gonna start with maybe one big heaping tablespoon of gochujang. You know what is gochujang? Yeah, the Korean chili paste. And then we just throw them in the bowl. Then we're gonna add some white vinegar. So now, white vinegar is the vinegar you want to use. Okay, you don't want to use apple cider vinegar, balsam, whatever, because it's not gonna taste the same. So I would just say we add in about quarter cup or maybe a little bit more. Like I said, I'll have the exact recipe at the end of the video. Let me get this out of here. Okay, and then little bit shoyu. Okay. I put a little bit sugar inside, actually quite a bit of sugar, but because this is on sweet spicy dish, yeah, or sweet spicy sauce. So I probably put it in about a third of a cup of sugar. And to bring out that flavor, you put in honey. Now, if you can get orange blossom honey or wildflower honey, it tastes a lot better than just clover honey. This is orange blossom honey. And I probably put in about quarter cup of that. And then we'll go whisk this thing together. Let me grab the whisk here. No mind, I stay at home, so I know more of my tools, but so we just whisk this thing together. Yeah. Once you get them kind of incorporated, the sugar is kind of melted. Then you get your sesame seed oil. Don't put your sesame seed oil in the beginning. Let everything incorporate first, then put your sesame seed so you can get that emulsion going, yeah? Now I'm probably going to add about an eighth of a cup of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil is imperative too. I mean, it's basically the whole sauce too, along with the gochujang. Now, if you want to make it more spicy, you can put gochugaru inside. Then after you get everything incorporated, just add your green onions and whisk your green onions in. So this sauce, what I'm gonna do is, today we're making hamburger for us guys. So I will show you guys how we use this sauce on the hamburger. What I do is I put a little bit in the burger itself when I mix them. Then when we pulehu the hamburger, we grill the hamburger outside in the hibachi. We kind of glaze them with them. And then if I can find the short rib video, I go add some of that part too. Because what we do is we braise short ribs without the sauce. We braise them first, and when the thing is pretty much done, we layer we brush on the sauce. We braise them a little while longer. Then we take them out. We brush on sauce again, and we throw them on the hibachi or the grill or whatever, and we caramelize the sauce onto that. But this is basically a sauce right here. Some people they add sesame seeds to it, but the thing is stuck in your teeth all the time, so we don't add sesame seeds. Restaurant, we hardly add sesame seeds into anything. So this is kind of a sauce. Let me tell you, this oh no brother sauce, real good. Oh yeah. Okay. So let me go get some hamburger going and everything like that. But basically, this video is all about just this sauce. This sauce is yeah, this sauce is winner, guys. You guys gonna love it. Like I said, sashimi, braised short ribs, tonkatsu. We put them on. We put them on rice, hamburger. I mean, fish and chips. What? This sauce works for everything. Well, what we do in the restaurant, we get on spicy chicken dish that we bread chicken breasts. And we kind of deep fry them, so you get kind of like a chicken fritter, and then we deep fry them, and then we just toss them in the sauce. All right. So I'll Cupcake, stop. So let me go get this sauce pretty much done, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Anyway, guys, folks, take care, stay safe out there. And you folks stay blessed, okay? Just talk to you guys later and see you guys in the next video. Aloha.